Now start the first word. Al madrasa tu. Huh? Brother, why tu and not ti? Because noun in its natural form, are you with me? Will always be marfu. Huh? Noun in its natural form is always marfu. Okay? It will become majroor if something comes in preposition come or something else comes in the sentence. Okay, next one, brothers and sisters. Fil. See, now you know ti. Why do you do that, Brother Hassan? Because harf jar came. That made it majroor. Huh? Got the idea, brother? Next one, brother. Fil by ti. You will be writing it, huh? Properly. Okay. And then, brother, al bay tu, mashallah. Al ghurfa tu, very good. Al hamma mu. Fil matbakh khi. Al maktabu. Alal maktabi. Alal kursi hi. Huh? Not kursi you. Alal kursi hi. Yeah. As-sari ru. Alal kitabi. On the book. Fil masjidi. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Now tell me, is it difficult? No. I want to hear from you that it is not difficult. Inshallah. And Allah will make it more easy for us, brother. Inshallah. Okay. Now you got the idea, huh? Okay, brothers and sisters. Ikra waktub. Read and write. So you will read loudly. I request you to read loudly at home. All the lessons. Because that way, zaban mein rawani aayegi. Your tongue will get used to pronouncing Arabic sentences, Arabic words. Because we are not used to. This is a new thing for us, you know. Okay. What is the first sentence, brother? How will you start the first sentence, Sister Abir? At-talibu, mashallah. What? Jami. Jamia. Ti. See? We cannot make it two, no more. We know fi has come, has to be majroor. Huh? What is the meaning of it, sister?
The student is in the class.
In the university. Jamiatu, don't worry. If you make a mistake, brother, huh? Don't worry. Huh? If you make a mistake, the world is not going to stop. Huh? It will still go on. Huh? Okay? At-talibu mubtada. Where is the khabar? Fil jamiyati. What is fil jamiyati? Jarun wa majrurun shibu jumla khabar. Got the idea? Alhamdulillah. Next one, brother. Ar-rajulu fil masjidi. Translate, brother. The man is in the masjid. Same way. You can analyze it if you want to, but you know it, brother. Aina tajiru. Where is the merchant?
Huwa fit dukani.
Huwa fit dukani. He is in the shop. MashaAllah. So where is mubtada? Huwa. And then fit dukani, jar majroor, shibu jumla khabar. Inshallah. Al-kalamu alal maktabi. Al-kalamu alal maktabi. Very good, brother. Al-kalamu alal maktabi. Same way, everything same. Aina Zainabu. Now Zainabu is a muannas. Huh? Aina Zainabu. Here. Fil ghurfati. See, can you imagine? No vowel signs. After observing things, you have become expert. No need to put vowel signs. But alhamdulillah, we can manage it. We know when the noun is marfu and when it becomes majroor. Huh? Fine, brother. Aina Zainabu? Hiya fil ghurfati. So hiya mubtada fil ghurfati khabar. Shibu jumla khabar. Jar majroor. Aina al-waraku? Where is the paper? Huwa alal maktabi. It is on the desk. Okay. Aina al-mudarrisu? Where is the teacher? Huwa fil fasli. He is in the classroom. Got the idea? Huwa mubtada. Where is khabar? Fil fasli. Jar majrur. Shibu jumla khabar. Inshallah. Inshallah. Aina yasiru? Huwa fil mirhadi. Whether hammam is a shower room and mirhad is a toilet. Huwa fil mirhadi. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. This is very beautiful, brother. Ash-shamsu wal kamaru fis samai. The sun and the moon, they are in the sky, Okay. Brother, I'm tempted to give you a heavy dose. But if you don't understand, you will not worry, and I will be explaining it. You know, we said waw. What is waw? Ataf. Waw is harfu ataf. Harfu atafin. Write down if you want to. Al-waw, or last time I wrote, brother, harfu atfin. Harfu atfin. Inshallah. Harfu atfin. Harfu atfin, which is a conjunction. Okay, what is the job of harfu ataf? It connects two nouns. It connects two nouns. So, if I were to analyze this sentence, ash-shamsu, what is ash-shamsu? That I know.
Oh, it's
Muqtada. And then what is waw? Conjunction. Harfu atf. Harf. Ataf. You can say, Brother Samad, you can say ataf. But then what is kamar? What shall I tell kamar?
مبتدأ.
It is also mubtada. But we call it something else. This is what the tough thing I am. We want to write it, brothers and sisters? You will write down. Now, brother, this is very advanced Arabic. But because we are an intensive course, and because we will be practicing every day, inshallah, you will understand it. Al-Kamaru, you will write down this. Why? What did I write down, brother? I put this. معطوف معطوف على الشمس. Sister Salma? معطوف. معطو. This is ta. Ta. Is this from ataf? Ataf معطوف. معطوف على شمسي. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? معطوف على شمسي. What is the meaning of معطوف? Connected. Connected to the shams. You know, waw always connects. So it connected the qamar to the shams. So in other words, brother, if the shams is marfu and waw comes, the next word will also be marfu. Same thing. That is why ash-shamsu wal kamaru. Why kamaru is marfu? because it is connected with Shamsu. Huh? You know, same thing. We will learn in lot detail later on. I will explain you in detail. So as I said, if you are not 100% sure, do not worry. But I will be explaining you. But you know, since we are analyzing the sentence, and as Shamsu came, Mubtada, Waw, Ataf, Al Kamaru, Ma'tufun ala Shams. Huh? Connected. Huh? Ma'tufun ala Shams. And where is the khabar, brother? Fis samai. Fine. Man fil fasli. There is only question mark. Who is in the classroom? Al mudarris fil fasli. But we don't have to say much, you know, man fil fasli. Brother, we end here. Huh? Inshallah, next thing we'll carry on. Brother, I request you to go through the handouts from the page 1 onwards, and this book. And if you have any question, you will call. You can ask me tomorrow, and we'll go in detail, inshallah. And if there is a time tomorrow, I will start the verbs. I will start the verbs. And verbs, I will try to make them very interesting for you. I'll put lots of masala, and I'll put some red chilies. If you like, I'll put some chutney also in the verbs, you know, to make it delicious for you. Okay, brothers and sisters? ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار ربنا هب لنا من أزواجنا وذرياتنا قرة أعين واجعلنا للمتقين إماما ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا أو أخطأنا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إسرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين جزاكم الله خير. Inshallah, tomorrow we'll meet.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, and to turn on notifications.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا